Looking for a delicious and nutritious way to start your day full of energy and vitality? Look no further than these 10 refreshing smoothie recipes. Whether you want to boost your immunity, aid digestion, or simply enjoy a refreshing treat, these smoothies are packed with nutrients to fuel your body and mind. Smoothie benefits. 1. Strawberry Banana Smoothie, 200 calories. Start your morning off right with a blend of strawberries and bananas. High in vitamin C and potassium, this smoothie boosts immunity and replenishes electrolytes, perfect for a refreshing start to the day or a post-workout recovery. 2. Green Smoothie, 330 calories. A powerhouse of nutrients, including antioxidant-rich spinach, bananas, and blueberries blended with almond milk. It helps boost energy levels, support immune function, and promote overall health. 3. Mango and Yogurt Smoothie, 270 calories. Transport yourself to the tropics with chunks of mango and creamy yogurt. Rich in vitamin C and probiotics, it aids digestion and boosts immune health, making it an ideal breakfast or satisfying snack. 4. Spinach and Berry Smoothie, 190 calories. Boost iron and fiber with spinach and berries. Recommended for promoting healthy digestion, it also boosts the immune system and provides essential nutrients. 5. Banana Beet Smoothie, 250 calories. This unique blend provides potassium, folate, and antioxidants from bananas and beets, helps maintain blood pressure, boosts endurance, and supports heart health. 6. Banana Coffee Smoothie, 240 calories. For coffee enthusiasts, this smoothie combines brewed coffee with Greek yogurt and banana, rich in caffeine, potassium, and protein, perfect for a morning or pre-workout energy boost. 7. Orange Banana Smoothie, 220 calories. Refreshing and hydrating, this smoothie combines oranges, bananas, and almond milk. It's rich in vitamin C, which supports immune function and promotes healthy skin. 8. Pumpkin Apple Oat Smoothie, 240 calories. A nutritious option with pumpkin puree, oats, apples, and Greek yogurt. They provide fiber, beta-carotene, and sustained energy, perfect for digestive health and maintaining energy levels. 9. Orange Carrot Smoothie, 90 calories. Brighten up your day with vitamins A and C from carrots and oranges. For healthy eyes, an orange carrot smoothie is a great choice, while an orange carrot smoothie boosts skin radiance and boosts immunity, making it a nutritious start. 10. Strawberry Beet Smoothie, 150 calories. Detoxify and support heart health with antioxidants from strawberries and beets. Helps support the body's detoxification process, promoting cardiovascular function and overall health. Incorporate these nutritious and delicious smoothies into your daily routine to boost your health and vitality. Whether you want to boost your immune system, aid digestion, or enjoy a delicious treat, these smoothies offer a variety of options to suit your needs. Start your day on a high note and discover the perfect blend that fits your lifestyle and health goals. Wishing you a healthier and more energetic you.